Assalamu alaikum. pH of buffer solution that contain 0.2 molar ammonium chloride and 0.1 molar ammonium present. So here pK value is 4.75. So before going to that, so buffer is two types. Buffer is two types. One is acidic buffer. Another one is basic buffer. So acidic buffer is the combination of weak acid and its conjugate base. So acidic buffer is the combination of weak acid and its conjugate base. Similarly, the basic buffer is the combination of weak base as well as the combination of conjugate acid. So some of the examples of acidic buffer is CH3COOH acetic acid. It is a weak acid and its conjugate base is CH3COONA, sodium acetate. Similarly, another example, weak acid HCN. It is a weak acid and its conjugate base is CN minus or NCN, NaCN. So similarly, the weak base, some of example is ammonia, weak base ammonium hydroxide. It is a weak base and its conjugate acid is ammonium plus and serum ammonium chloride. Similarly, another one is CH3 NH2. It is a weak base and its conjugate base is ethyl ammonium chloride. Okay. These are some of the examples of basic buffer. The calculation of basic buffer pH is equal to pKa plus log salt concentration by acid concentration. So here salt concentration means conjugate base concentration, and acid concentration is acetic acid or HCN, whatever the weak acid concentration. So the question on the one POH, here the basic buffer POH is equal to pKb plus log salt concentration by base concentration, that is weak base concentration and salt whatever you are taking, the conjugate acid concentration and weak base concentration. So the question asking is the pH of solution that contain 0.2 molar ammonium chloride and 0.1 molar ammonia. So here it is a basic buffer. So for basic buffer, POH is equal to pKb plus log salt concentration by base concentration. Okay, so here POH is equal to pKb. The pKb, sorry, here pKb value of ammonia is 4.75. Okay, plus log salt concentration. So salt concentration, ammonium chloride had taken, so 0.2 by and base concentration 0.1. So POH is equal to 4.75 plus log 2. for log 2 0.30. So finally POH is equal to 5.05. So finally we know that pH plus POH is equal to 14. So finally pH is equal to 14 minus 5.05. So the final answer is 8.95. So the buffer solution which having the pH is the basic buffer having pH is 8.95. So thank you.